Yan lang ang mga notes. Okay. With that, Madam Chair, move that we approve Barangay Ordinance number 07, subject to the revision of the corrected version.
There's a motion to approve Barangay Ordinance number 079, duly seconded. Barangay Ordinance number 79 of Barangay Kaunlaran is now passing review, subject to the submission of the corrected version. Next, Barangay Ordinance number 46, Barangay Ordinance establishing the project dapat comprehensive and Batang Kaunlaran. The proponent is recognized.
Thank you very much, Kagawad Olivia Duterte po. I will present to you the amended version. This was conditionally approved before, so I have already presenting to you the amended version. Barangay Ordinance number 046 series of 2025. A barangay ordinance establishing the project dapat comprehensive ang Batang Kaunlaran.
Okay. Madam Chair, I would like to ask the Secretariat if the proponent was able to comply with the requirements, as she had mentioned that she already submitted the amended version. Nagbigay na pa ng kopya? Okay, okay na yan.
Yung amended version po, bali yung sa first na recommendation ninyo is to simplify the title to an ordinance establishing establishing the comprehensive ang Batang Kaunlaran project. Yun lang po yung dapat. Yung tutorial for students of Barangay Kaunlaran.
Sige.
Okay.
Hindi, ito, basta yung ano yung nakalagay doon, ayusin na lang, ha?
Okay naman po yung title.
Okay. So, with that, Madam Chair, I move that we finally approve ordinance number 046. Pakiayos na lang po
There's
yung...
a motion to approve Barangay Ordinance number 46, duly seconded. Barangay Ordinance number 046 of Barangay Kaunlaran is now passing review. Next, Barangay Ordinance number 068, ordinance prohibiting cutting of trees within the area of Barangay Kaunlaran. Proponent is recognized.
Kagawad Maris Lapus again. Barangay Ordinance number 068, series of 2025. An ordinance prohibiting cutting of trees within the area of Barangay Kaunlaran. Whereas this ordinance supports the Republic Act 3571, June 21, 1963, an act to prohibit the cutting, destroying, or injuring of planted or growing trees, flowering plants and shrubs or plants and science value along public roads, in plazas, parks, school premises, or in any other public pleasure ground. Whereas in order to promote and conserve the beauty of scenic ornamental value along public places and help preserve cool, fresh, and healthful climate, it is the desire of Barangay Kaunlaran to conserve planted or growing trees, flowering plants with ornamental values along public roads, school premises, or any other public grounds. Whereas the Barangay Council shall encourage or require school children Arbor Day to plant trees and flowering plants of useful and scenic value to the residents of Barangay Kaunlaran.
Okay. Okay na po.
Okay na.
Discussion.
Madam Chair, I move that we approve ordinance number 60, subject to the submission of the corrected version. Please lang yung section 2, fine, dapat sa huli po yun. Then section 3 and 4, dapat nauna po yun after ng section 1. Okay.
There's a motion to approve Barangay Ordinance number 68, subject to the submission of a corrected version. Duly seconded. Barangay Ordinance number 068 is now passed in review. Next, Barangay Ordinance number 069.
Subject to submission.
Barangay Ordinance number 069, Barangay Ordinance creating the Senior Citizen Health and Welfare Program and Senior Care Center of Barangay Kaunlaran and appropriating funds for the purpose. Proponent is recognized. Please just give a brief background.
Barangay Ordinance number 069. This ordinance is about creating the Senior Citizen Health and Welfare Program and Senior Care Center of Barangay Kaunlaran and appropriating funds for the purpose.
Discussion.
Madam Chair. Madam Chair, tawag doon yung dispositive portion. Nilagay ko siya ng upon the recommendation ng kagawad. Ano, okay, tanggal lang ha. Now therefore be ordained, okay? Alam na ng sekretary yan. And then yung Appropriation nito, nasaan ang appropriation nito? Wala. Kasi nakalagay doon appropriating funds for the purpose. Pakilagay na lang kung magkano yung appropriation nyo, kung initial amount of 50 o 100,000 to be included in the barangay annual budget. Ha? Okay? Kagaw, Jimmy.
Noted po.
Okay, I move that we approve, Madam Chair, Barangay Ordinance number 069, subject to the submission of the corrected version.
There's a motion to approve Barangay Ordinance number 069, duly seconded. Ordinance number 069 is passed in review, subject to the submission of the corrected version. Next, Barangay Resolution number 9. Resolution urging compliance with DOLE Order number 53 on drug-free workplace policies. Proponent is recognized.
Kagawad Jessica nito from Barangay Kaunaran. Barangay Resolution number 9, 2024. A resolution urging compliance with DOLE Order number 53 series of 2003 on drug-free workplace policies.
Discussion.
Madam Chair, this is only in compliance with all order. Pag-alagay lang po doon sa resolution. Yung further, paghiwa-hiwain niyo po ito. So finally, huwag mong pagsama-samahin sa isang dispositive portion. Okay po. With that, Madam Chair,
Introduce. Wala introduce.
saka introducer, si Kagawad. Kagawad, ito introducer, di ba? Okay. So ito, meron naman akong notation, introducer. Yan. Okay. I move that we approve resolution number 9 subject to the submission of the corrected version.
There's a motion to approve Barangay Resolution number 9, duly seconded. Barangay Resolution number 9 of Barangay Kaunlaran is now passed in review, subject to the submission of the corrected version. Next, Barangay Ordinance number 082. Ordinance requiring all individuals who intend to rent for residential purposes within the jurisdiction of Barangay Kaunlaran to register and secure a tenant clearance, providing penalties for violation thereof. Proponent is recognized.
May copy ba?
Wala pong copy.
83?
82.
Walang 82 eh.
Wala rin.
Second yung copy.
Hindi, yung receive.
Yung receipt. Ito. May receipt po.
Na-receive nila yung declaration.
Amended na.
No, not yet. Yan yung first na ano eh.
Revised.
May mga maliit.
Presenting this ordinance, revising the title, an ordinance requiring all renters in Barangay Kaunlaran to register and secure a tenant clearance, providing penalties for violation. And then yung
Meron na silang forms, di ba? May forms kayo dito, di ba?
requirement.
May comment na rin. Sino nagano ng comment? Sino nagano ng comment na siya?
Ako po.
Nice.
There's a motion to approve Barangay Ordinance number 082, duly seconded. Ordinance number 082 of Barangay Kaunlaran is now passing review, subject to the submission of the corrected version. Next, Barangay Ordinance number 083, ordinance requiring the registration of all vehicles within Barangay Kaunlaran and the issuance of a free barangay sticker. Proponents recognized.
Kagawad Jessica nito from Barangay Kaunaran again. Barangay Ordinance number 083 series 2025. An ordinance requiring the registration of all vehicles within Barangay Kaunaran and the issuance of a free barangay sticker.
Discussion.
Ito, paano nyo ma-serve yung mga member na ba ng barangay, yung residente na ba yung
Residente po.
sige na ano?
Residente po ng barangay.
Yung mga dumadaan, hindi naman.
Hindi naman po.
Hindi ba alam ba? Wala ko. Take 3. Mali yan. Ano yan? 83.
Hindi pa tayo nagkakit ng bago sa second. Kaya sa tip na lang po ng mga sa inyo. Kasi po may change.
Baka ito. Ito.
Ito po. Question po dito sa atin. Kasi nire-record yung registering mo, no? Yung mga vehicle na ba? Ano ba to? Yung vehicle ba? Yung nakatira sa inyo yung iba o sa...
Yung mga residente lang po.
Pero dito po sa section 1 nakalagay yung vehicle registration requirements. All types of vehicles regularly entering. So, yung mga laging dumadaan.
Hindi, yung mga dumadaan po, hindi naman po required po. Yung residente lang po talaga. Tenant.
Sa section 1, section 1, all types of vehicles regularly entering.
Kaya papalitan niya.
Papalitan na po ito.
Ano nyo dito? Ano ibig nyo sabihin dito? Yung mga laging dumadaan.
na residente talaga?
Yung mga
Pag
residente
hindi,
lang.
kahit hindi siya residente, nakana yun, regularly entering.
Dapat naka-specify na.
Specific owner.
Hindi kasi yun.
Ay, yung nagdadaan ng mga owner po.
Regularly parking. Pero resident.
Not passing by.
Naka-residente naman.
Pero yung passing by, hindi naman. Yung mga passing through.
Yung mga passing by, hindi.
Hindi.
Hindi naman po.
So, dapat i-identify yung passing by is ano. Then, ito ang kailangan yung sa section 1. Section
Ayun ba yung bibigyan natin ulit?
sa vehicles.
Oo, yung sinabi mo na.
Oo.
Oh,
Ito yung
Free,
Na-
para.
na-
Free naman itong ano, no? Free.
na-review
Opo,
niya.
free po
Na-review
yung
ba niya?
sticker.
Na-review niya na? Yun?
oo, yung nakita kami.
Okay.